In this video, we're going to walk through the steps to register a premium app or one of our pre-built apps. In this case, we're going to do the CA Service Desk integration that we have. Now, the first thing you want to do before you start is log in as admin, go to the admin panel, and take a look at your licenses and make sure that you have an actual license, whether it be a trial or a permanent license for the Service Desk Manager or whatever premium app that you wish to have. If you don't have one, contact our support team, or you can press the request trial key from the license page to get a temporary key. Let's go back to admin, and we're going to start under app databases since we do have that license, and we're going to click register new app. A premium app is one of the options here, so we're going to select that for this particular case. And any premium app that you do have licensed, you'll see as a selection that's available. In this case, we're going to select our Service Desk Manager 17 premium app. And we're going to go through and proceed to register this just like we would any normal database. So you would pick your proper database platform. In this case, Microsoft SQL is correct, as well as the Microsoft SQL database platform. You'll put in your server name. So I'm going to put in the name of the server where I have my database. You'll put in your database name. For CA, it's going to be MDB. And all we require is a read-only user ID and password for that. In this case, I'm going to put the SA, which has permission to that. Now, if you did want to give it a different name, whatever you might call your internal CA service desk in this case, you can change that name here or you can change it later. I'm going to go ahead and do a test connection, and you'll see that I have a test passed in this particular case. So I'm going to continue and go next. Now on this screen, the only thing that we would recommend you change, you'll see time zone offset. Typically you're going to make that GMT unless your database is set up in a particular time zone, and then you could do an offset if you need to change that. And I'm not going to do adjust for daylight savings time since we're not doing any offset in this particular case. I'm going to hit finish. And now we have successfully registered our Service Desk Manager. I can always go in under here to update database credentials or change any of the offset or any of the daylight saving times or connection settings as I need to. Immediately after doing that, I can go straight into the builder, and I'll have my Service Desk Manager app there with all of the report types that come out of the box, and I'm able to start building reports just like I could from any particular data source that I have. One thing that we provide with our premium apps, if you go back to admin, is look under the content section, and you'll see that out of the box there's a set of content that you can install for the various premium apps, and that would be the next step if you wanted to have our pre-built content to go with that app. If you have any questions or issues with this process, just contact us at support@yurbi.com.